This is how to make cheesecake. Some of you, you're familiar, you came to the last class that we have, and we're gonna keep an ongoing class. This is about how to make the cheesecake. You can make any size cheesecake. This is the 7-inch layer pan. These are little, we made it out of the muffin molds. Here. How we begin this, we have to line the pan. First, you have to grease the pan in any way. So if you grease the pan, I'm ruining your pan. You grease the pan maybe with a spray grease. A typical bottom would be graham cracker crust. But the graham cracker crust, what we do here to keep it together is we add melted butter. You go by eye, just enough where it's gonna make handfuls. Like see here, press down on the bottom. You want about maybe 1/8 of an inch in there. There you go. You can line it with anything if you don't do graham crackers. Again, some of our great guests here, they suggest Oreos, but when you crumble them all up, add melted butter so it binds together. We'll move this here. Really, because now he's filming. Then if you don't have a blender, you're gonna have a hand blender, but I recommend you get anything. Who sells these? Maybe Kohl's sells them. Always wait till you get the scratch off thing, is a 30%. You know what I'm talking about because everybody goes to Kohl's. Then based on the recipe here, you easily just add room temperature, the cream cheese, because you have to cream it. Room temperature cream cheese. The prescribed amount of sugar that we have on, what do I have on the sugar? Do you see it? How much? I'm quizzing you now. 1 pound, based on that formula, 1 pound. This was all pre-weighed. The cornstarch, because you need cornstarch to stay together. We went over that. That's at 2 ounces. Everything we have pre-weighed. Then we cream that together, right? You should know when everything's creamed because you want to get air in there. God, you guys are going to be teaching this by the time we're done here. You know, I went over so many times. You know what I mean? So you cream that together. Then you add the heavy cream. Any liquids you do, always add slowly while the mixer's going. There you go, like that. And the eggs. Hold on, we got these eggs going right here. If you want to be cool with the eggs, you do it in one hand. See? There you go. And then that's it. And then any flavorings you would add, you could add right here at the end. How's that? How's the sample? Good? Yeah. How long are you gonna mix this for? Because look at your job aid. On the 4 minutes. About 4 minutes and you're good to go. And then you pour the batter. You could go as high as you want then once you have the bottom there, because it's not gonna rise. 350 in the oven. About 50 minutes. Make sure just a little skin on top, golden brown, that's it. And put it in the bath, the water bath. Fill the pan with the water. In we go. That's it. When it comes out, maybe 45 minutes later, just flip it over. And that's it.